My name's Matthew, and today I get to show you around one of my all-time favourite cars. It's the current Land Rover Defender 110, and this particular car just looks amazing. We are a big fan of making a standard-looking Defender look super special, and they're all about visuals. All the bits that go onto these cars completely transform the way that they look. This car is another example. We've done a lot of the changes to it, and we'll show you what they look like when we go around the car. So a designed by Boss edition. It's finished in Carpathian Grey metallic, one of my favorite Defender colors as well. It's got the full black exterior pack, including the gloss black contrast roof, and it's got the really cool, almost satin titanium, I suppose, center sections at the front and the back of the car, breaking that colorway up. So let's start at the front end. We'll rewind. It's a 2023 model. It's an X-Dynamic SE. It's done 26,000 miles, and it's got a full Land Rover main dealer service history. So let's go from the front end. I'll show you all of the really cool details, because it's all in the details, all of the really cool changes. So we've got black Defender bonnet lettering across the nose here. Again, like I said, that almost satin titanium effect to this center section of the front grille and the lower sort of, I would say, mudguard section at the bottom of the front radiator housings. Absolutely beautiful combination of colours. Satin black Land Rover badges at the front, a nice detail, not the normal green ones. Your X-Dynamic badge in the centre of the grille there. Forward-facing camera, part of the 3D and 360 surround camera package. And I should mention that the adaptive radar cruise control is hidden very neatly behind that little Land Rover badge. As we look around this sort of corner section, I want to start showing you some of the big changes. So all of this gloss black theme around the car blends into the front corner. We've got the concave front lights, they're matrix LED lights with adaptive beam and the LED daytime running light. The first big change, big gloss black extended wheel arches. It completely changes a Defender's stance on the road. And just inside those wheel arches are my favorite bit on the whole car. These are the 22-inch Cotan alloy wheels. They are absolutely stunning. So intricate, so much detail in the wheel itself. I think it's probably one of the best looking wheels I've seen on a Defender. Finished in a satin black with the black Land Rover badges there, and with brand new Geolander Yokohama tyres all around. The big extended mud flaps are not the small ones, the big ones, massively important, again, for the visuals of the car. Side steps, of course, down the side of it. The gloss black lower sections to the doors down here. And if I open the door, it's all keyless entry and keyless go. Blind spot monitoring in the mirrors as well. And go inside and have a look. The full black leather seats, they're absolutely beautiful. It's got an opening panoramic glass sunroof as well. And all the normal Land Rover bits that you would imagine, but the condition is exquisite also. Privacy glass to the rear three quarters. As I said, that contrast black roof with black roof rails. And if you go and have a look in the back as well, look at the space inside a Defender. That super square body shape creates massive functionality inside, a huge amount of space inside one of these. They're such a brilliant family car, and nothing looks like these cars on the road. Privacy glass again to this back section. I love the massive mud flaps at the back. If you are following this down the road, it looks just so mean. A boot spoiler on the back of the rear door there, a black spare wheel cover. That's a small detail, makes a huge difference to the way they look. And if I have a look in the boot as well, have a good look inside. We've got a big boot floor. This parcel shelf moves out the way really easily, and it comes off with two hooks over there. Underneath the boot floor is loads of extra storage space, including the original box for the Land Rover key. The car has an electric deployable tow bar. The features are endless as well. It's why I love these cars so much, but you just see that drop out in a second now. Such a handy thing, A, if you're towing, or B, if you've got a bike rack and you want to take your bikes away with you for the weekend. I just shut the door. Again, something that's really nice about these cars, the lovely titanium lettering on the back that matches that lower boot section in that finished satin titanium. Come and have a look at the rear three-quarter angle here as well. Just look at the stance on the back of this car. Honestly, I would have this car. If I jump in and switch it on, We're going to start on the driver's door card and run you through as many features as we can. We've got memory settings for both the driver and the passenger in the front of this car, anti-dazzle, electric, heated and folding door mirrors, and of course the Meridian surround sound stereo, a big lovely option to have on a Defender. As we move inside the cabin, I apologize because the light is glaring through a window in our showroom, so I'm struggling to see everything, but I'll do my very, very best. We've got the lovely multifunction display in front of me and this amazing Defender steering wheel, which I've grown really accustomed to, especially in all the new JLR products. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the buttons for our adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist, which sort of alerts you if you're rolling out of your lane and gives you a little vibration through the steering wheel. Cruise control, and on the left-hand side, multifunction for your Bluetooth and that infotainment screen in front of me. It's currently set up for media. We've got traffic sign assist in there as well with the forward-facing camera on the car, and it's just a fantastic and adjustable display. As we come into the center section of the car, we've got Land Rover's Pivi Pro system. Currently, as you can see, it's connected to Android Auto. It's all wireless. You can have wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay. You can see just how brilliant that system is. And if I come out of there and go into the Land Rover's own system, again, lots to talk about, lots of features in here, but I'll just show you very quickly. There's your Android Auto, there's your Apple CarPlay. You can even go in and configure your heated seats via this display in here, so I'll just switch it all on for you so you can see how that works. Very, very simple indeed. And if I pop the car into reverse, you'll see that surround camera system come to life. And if you want to see it in 3D, you press this little button here. Bear with me a second, it might need a bit more of a touch. And there you go. You can see how that camera system works, moving you around the car. Very, very clever indeed, and very good for missing obstacles that you can't see from inside the cabin. Again, we've got a little control panel down here. We've got air suspension on the right-hand side. That's adjustable to 3 different heights and can lock in access mode for those multi-story car parks where you're worried about height in the car. Dual zone climate control. You've got another override for your heated seats on these 2 little dials down here, and you press this button to get all of your Land Rover drive modes, your famous Land Rover drive modes, including your water wading assist, which is in there. Of course, being a Defender, those are the kind of things you might use it for. Loads and loads and loads of storage. USB-C and USB-A in here, cup holders, storage underneath, a storage compartment here, a big storage bin in the center here, and then again, a lovely feature above me, the opening glass tilt and slide panoramic roof, which I'll open now and show you through, and then I'll just switch the car off, jump out and summarize what an amazing car this is. So a 2023 Land Rover Defender 110 D300, so the higher horsepower version of that 3-litre Ingenium inline-6 engine, X-Dynamic SE with a massive spec. But most importantly, this car is all about the added bits. It's all about those stunning wheels, the arches, the mud flaps, side steps, privacy glass, wing on the back, spare wheel cover. It just visually looks remarkable. My name is Matthew. I hope the video's helped. Thanks for watching.